Hey loves, welcome to another day in the life. All I can say is a lot will be happening in this video. Just watch, enjoy. Anyways, as we do that, please just like this video. Anyway, right there you can see that the hockey match has already started. The last time I went to a hockey match was like before COVID. Oh my god, you know when that was. Anyways, what was I saying? Please like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, and also try and find me. It's game time. Anyways, subscribe to these channels, and what do you do after subscribing? Turn on the notification bell, cause yeah, it's all about beauty and style. Let's just watch a little bit what these girls were doing before we see what our men were doing. Well, let me tell you something. I was so stressed this day, like I had lost it all. Yani, everything was gone. And then one of my friend told me, "Girl, what are you doing? Let's just go watch this hockey match." And I was like, "It's okay, let's go." But I don't have a penny. Me and now we decided to go, and it was fun watching the drill and all. Look at me there, stressed for a second, and then I'm like, we just get distracted and get back into motion. And then let me tell you something, the sun gave me sunburns. After this day my face was like it was like I was wearing a black mask. But anyways, I've done a video whereby I show you guys how you can actually get your skin tone back even after such a day, when your sunscreen decides to betray you. Well, this is the team that we are here to support for the day. They didn't win today, but you know, they were here to just have fun. They achieved all of that.
Kwenda ovyo mimi. Hata kama timu ya Premier League mnacheza ovyo. Sasa nyinyi mnacheza huko nyuma. Sasa ndio hao watu wa Premier League wote angalia venye wanacheza. Hapo yule ni nini anafanya chini? Fala. Leo hata kutembea kwa uwanja zaidi. Mimi nichanga watu kwa zuri, mimi nikaondoka. Nilipiga matandeti nikaondoka. Nikamaliza kazi. Mimi mlinivoji manze mnakaa huko. Hata tu mtu wa ball. Hakuna timu tunacheza leo. Maana ndio kama.
Look at me letting the sun soak and roast me. Look at me. Yeah, but anyways, it was just a fun day. It was so much it was good. We actually went in another day. I'll be showing you that the last day of the match, whereby you know now the big prize was going to be won. And then later on in the day it decided like, tumewachoma sana na jua, let us rain. And it rained. The last game so played when it was raining. Imagine playing in the rain. It's called passion. I'm so scared of this game. I always think that, what if my foot is knocked or something happens to me in the field? But anyway, it was fun. We also had some snacks out there. What do you call the thing that I enjoyed the most? Samosa. What is samosa in English? Someone tell me in the comment section. Anyways, if you've watched this far, please like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Well, I like the fact that this international school has a swimming pool. As we all know, I love swimming. In the middle of the night. Well, the match for day 1 were over and done with. Now it was all the way to day 2, but you're still in the shida ni ha napigana na nani na nyinyi watu wanakufa tu bure sasa hivi. Mko side moja, unajua nyinyi wote mko side moja, hamwezi sasa kupigana, mnapigania nini? Sinikiamua kununua gari sitakuwa nimekosea. Sio?
Gari kununua. Unacheki kununua gari? It's not our work.
The work is where?
After kununua.
Kwa hiyo tutakula nini? Hapo piga tosi mbili twende huko.
Well, here comes day 2 and number ni gani? Number ni 9 mgongoni. It was the last fun day and whereby I met up with one of my friends, ex-friends from campus. And then, funny enough, days later, they're calling me and they're like, you know what? They started insulting me. You know, back in the days, I used to see you as this and that. You see that girl who did a lot of bullshit, and I've actually blocked them today 1 week later because I don't like that such negativity. They're so stupid. You see those people, the way you are told like you cannot take a cow to the river and force it to take water. It's the same case with this nigga. You cannot take him off the village to the towns and try and make him behave like the Romans, but still ni ngumu. But on a kienyeji, no offense to all of them, because for me, to him, I look like that. But anyways, I saw him, he was looking a bit old, like my shame him bigger. But anyways, I don't know. I wish him the best, or is it the worst? Whatever. It was a good day as getting there. I don't know why I have gotten out of the story, but that was insulting. Why do you call me? Wake me up in my sleep after some hangovers, and then you start telling me, you know, back in the days you made the wrong. Bro, they were my decisions. I did not choose you. So if after all these years you're still hurting, don't bring to me your insecurities. If you're too good right now, ungekuwa na mtu mahali umesettle na umeendelea na maisha vizuri, si eti sasa unaanza kunitafuta mimi. Bro, grow up. Tushatoka hiyo stage. We were both naive. We were children.
Ana jina yangu.
Wewe ulikuwa unapenda wa mama. Siko hawa mama, bro. Nonsense. Anyways, that was not the story for the day. But we're still getting to the venue. It's the international school. Yeah, tupeleke watoto shule kubwa. Tuwasipatane kama wajinga kama hao. Anyways, where was I? Let's just go. Grand. Quarterfinals. Well, that's the days in the life, or rather I could have said days, not just a day. Because for day 2, it went all too. We were already at the venue and all. And then the last games went by. The team he was supporting failed. I'm happy. But he was also supporting the same team. But the thrill, guys, the thrill. Oh no! Sasa wewe unafanya nini to bet nini? It was so much fun. I enjoyed myself. I really did enjoy myself. And for a minute, I forgot that nilikuwa nimechapa kichapo cha life. You know, my life, I have gone back to zero. I'm actually officially starting my life back again from scratch. AI says I'm not starting from zero, but I'm starting again with experience. See you on the next one. Check in the description for more videos or click up there. Love you. Bye.